What's your problem?
You're on the phone, man.
Off, you can't keep going. What are you, man?
Mate, it's alright, mate. It's alright, mate. You have a good weekend, mate. Alright, mate.
Aê, porra! Toma no seu cu, hein, caralho! Vai se fuder! Vai se fuder, hein, mano! Aqui pra você, ó, dá seta, dá porra da seta, filha da puta! Ah, tomar no seu cu! Você não dá seta pra entrar nessa porra? Vai tomar no seu cu, arrombado! Vai tomar no seu cu, seu merda! Você me mata, arrombado! Presta atenção no trânsito, seu bosta! Seu bosta, pau no seu cu! Vai, bate aqui agora, arrombado! Tem essa porra de seta não, filha da puta!
Holy shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okey tak? Ha? Wah. Apa jadi?
Dia jatuh, saya break lah, saya mau langgar janji.
Kereta depan tu break.
Oh, kereta depan break. So you jam you punya brake depan lah.
Strany vozovky, tak jestli to mají natočení, tak je to dobře.
Ano, výborně. Předjíždění přes plnou čáru, nedodržování bezpečných vzdáleností a to, kde já se držím, není vůbec vaše věc. Jo. Takže až to předám policii České republiky, tak to bude přesně na ní. Ano? Mimochodem, já jsem dodržoval předepsanou rychlost, vzhledem k tomu, že jste mě předjel, tak jste ji nemohl dodržet. Haha. Takže já vám pošlu odkaz na YouTube, jo? Můžete se tam hezky pobavit. Jaký jste debil. Jo? Fajn, super. Tak prosím, když tak si vyměníme kontakty, já se na to video velice rád podívám. Mec, j'ai tout filmé. On va parler à la police. Quoi? Va te faire enculer. Mais va te faire soigner, connard. Va te faire soigner.
Use your fucking arm. You didn't fucking stop and saw me, you wit.
Push this damn thing out of here. It's not licensed. No, you're supposed to be on the fucking road. Take me very fucking long. You get
Come on, old man. Come on.
walking in the middle of the street on purpose. And then shakes her head when I ride by. How's that disrespectful? You're just a drunk.
You guys are like 30 years old and you're so disrespectful.
Do something about it.
You're so disrespectful.
How's it disrespectful?
You're riding right by my driveway.
I don't care.
You see what we're trying to do. You just keep doing it.
We were out here before you.
You were here before me.
Yes, we were. Ask him.
It's just disrespectful. That's enough.
You're enough. I could do whatever I want.
Nobody said you couldn't do
Okay, then what is she talking about? Disrespectful me riding the street?
So
this is
Do something.
What do you want to do? Go, man. He's 50. You're like 20, 30?
I don't care. I don't care.
okay. No shit.
Come on,
Mr.
baby.
Boxer.
Fucking call your PO on you. How about that?
It is disrespectful. Which is disrespectful. That's disrespectful. And
Jessica.
when your son flips my husband off in his car, like he's
She must be
15
drunk.
years old.
Yeah.
When did you do that?
The other day. You just did it the other day.
Not a big deal.
Don't act like you didn't do it, dude. We don't give
I don't give a You need to grow up because I'm sick of your
you
fucking
need to
petty
fucking
shit.
grow up.
You'll be on YouTube. You'll be on YouTube.
What did I do?
Dumb drunk causing drama. Yeah.
Kid is 30 years old. He's a man.
But he's riding a bike on the
But it's disrespectful. Shut the up.
Go.
It's disrespectful and you know it, and you know it is. It is. You're riding a street.
What about that little girl? That little girl that rides bike. That's disrespectful?
She's a little girl. You're a grown man.
Doing nothing but riding bike.
That's what I mean. You are f***ing petty.
Yeah.
You are petty. You need to get straight in your own yard.
Bitch, I don't
Worry
need to do
about your
anything.
own house.
fucking need to do anything
Yes, you
straight.
do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
What is it that I need to do that I need to get straight?
Get your life straight.
What's wrong with my life? You don't know anything about me.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have fellas? You don't have theft?
I don't
going
have
on?
what?
You don't have theft going on?
No, I don't.
Identity stealing?
No, I don't. No.
Nope,
I don't.
Okay.
That's fine.
Oh, you're funny.
I'm
You're
not
good.
funny. It's all over
Good.
freaking Green Bay Crime
What's
Report.
all over Green Bay Crime Report? Just say it out loud. Say it out loud.
Oh, I'm a bitch?
Yes, you are.
Your husband's
What
stealing
about him?
people's
You know
identity?
anything about that?
Green Bay does.
Case is closed.
I don't care. Because you
And?
can pay a lawyer to cover up that.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
What are you talking about? You don't know what you're talking about, you racist fucking I don't care.
'Cause
I
we're-
don't care. I don't give a fuck about that.
You sound stupid.
I need to what?
Grow the fuck.
Why? Because
You act like you are
these men are
'Cause-
disrespectful and they're running around here like right in front of somebody's house.
drama.
You're
Looking
stupid.
for drama. You already asked me what my husband up. What are you, 12?
I never flipped him up. I'll give you a finger right now, though.
Go ride.
Fuck him.
Go
What
ride.
reason?
Fuck you.
And what
Go
did he
right.
do to you? What did he do to you?
Go.
What did we do to you for you to come out here like a dumb bitch?
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Go. Go.
How old are you?
Don't worry about it. How old are you acting like a fucking kid? Acting like your kid's up there. Oh, they're just saying, yeah, wondering what the my mom's doing.
Go.
Dumb drunk. Do something. Both of you. Obviously, you ain't gonna do shit. Here, find this disrespectful, you dumb.
Right in front of my fucking driveway. Don't do it. It's
It's the
disrespectful.
street. Go all the way down there.
Right, so what is the point?
Because you want to say I'm disrespectful riding by the street. But now I'm being disrespectful because you're fucking stupid.
I'm stupid.
Disrespectful now.
Why? Why wouldn't you just prove her?
Well, why does she gotta come out here and say shit?
You're being
why is she doing
disrespectful.
They are not doing it to taunt you. They're doing it to ride a bike.
You dumb is wearing back. As soon as we come out front, you come in front.
Go. Go.
Well, they wearing back.
Go.
Okay, but
Do you
the
live
kids,
here?
they're gonna.
Huh?
Do you live here?
Don't worry about where I live.
Go.
It just seems obnoxious as
How
hell.
old are you?
Your wife is obnoxious.
And you live at mommy and daddy's house?
They were not doing
I got more money than you.
So, but
She's the one who said something.
I bet I got more money than you.
Please go.
okay.
No, man.
Think
I'm
that
telling
money
you to
makes
go.
any difference?
No,
or
it doesn't.
anything?
But you saying you live at mommy and daddy's house.
Go. Go.
And you're just so fucking disrespectful.
You're so fucking stupid.
Fucking leprechaun looking ass.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Well,
I'm not gonna do anything. What are you gonna do?
you're fucking high school material. You need to grow the up. An example. You know what you're teaching your daughter to act like
Listen to the way that you're talking.
And you're not talking the same way. You're fucking delusional.
every time you have to stop it. Can't you just let it go?
No.
Let it
You
go.
let it go.
It
Stay
has
over
been
there.
done. It has been
Stay
done.
over there.
I will walk the street 50 times. This is not your street.
It's not yours either.
No, it's not.
Then quit crying about us riding bike down the damn street.
Go. Get on your bike. Ride your fucking bike. Do what you want. Go. Ride your bike. Let's go knock on the neighbors' houses and see if they're disrespected because we're riding in the fucking street.
You knew what she was doing when her dumbass was in the middle of the street, us coming down this fucking street. You heard me, dude. I didn't fucking stutter.
Go. Ride the bike.
He probably gets punked out at home every night.
Yeah, we can tell who wears the pants in your relation.
Go. Nancy.
I'm riding my bike.
You beat your girlfriend.
I'm being disrespectful, huh? Real disrespectful.
I was looking off your phone.
No different than you sitting in your garage filming my kids on their bike. Yeah, grown adults.
And you're a kid.
They don't drink, they don't do drugs, they ride a bike. Oh my God.
You need to control that fucking thing or something. You heard said.
He ain't gonna do shit.
Let them be the fucking douchebags. Let them be the douchebags. Doing nothing wrong. Ride your bike.